This is an installation guide for a single sliding door. Before installing the sliding door, it is very important to remove the master leaf from the pallet. Before you start, check that there are no defects on the sliding door. Open the door handle downward and pull the door towards you while holding the end of the handle to avoid scratching the mullion. Move the door to the center and then close the handle upward to the locked position. The master leaf is now ready to be removed by tilting it out starting from the bottom. Put the master leaf safely aside. Shim the element loosely with 3 shims, one under the vertical mullion and one under the frame on each side. Mark a point in the wall opening on each side at the same height and check with a laser level that the 2 points are aligned. Adjust with other shims if necessary. Release the element from the pallet and place it in the wall opening on top of the 3 shims. It is very important that the front edge of the bottom rail track is placed on the sill. It is recommended that the element is positioned 3 to 5 cm inside the wall opening. It is also important that the shimming of the threshold is done under the bottom rail track so the sliding door is fully supported. Determine the distance from the interior frame to the facade in the wall opening. To center the element in the wall opening, temporarily fix the element at the top and sides using windbags or wedges. Check that the element is vertical and temporarily fix it with a suitable screw in the top frame. Now fasten the side frame with suitable screws through the frame and into the wall opening. Pre-drill with a 6 mm drill bit and screw the frame tight. The maximum distance between fixing points on the striking side must be 60 cm. On the opposite side, the maximum distance is 90 cm. To fasten the top frame, screw through both the top rail track, the frame, and into the wall opening with a suitable screw. Place shims under every second drainage hole in the bottom rail track or every 200 mm. You are now ready to install the master door. Position the sash into the top rail track and then slide it onto the bottom rail track. Fine-tune the sash so the sliding door closes correctly. This is done by setting up a laser outside so it shines across the entire width of the element at a height of approximately 100 mm up on the glass. Apply painter's tape vertically on the glass directly above the wheels on each side of the door. Move the master leaf to the side so the tape on the right side aligns with the mullion in the center of the element. Mark the laser line on the tape, then move the door to the other side and repeat with the left tape. This is now our reference point for the threshold height, and the method ensures weight is on the shims when adjusting the height. Move the sash back and forth so one of the tape marks is directly above the shim you want to adjust. The mark should match the laser line. If the mark is above or below the laser line, adjust with shims until the mark and line match. Shims on the fixed side are adjusted using the tape opposite the handle and vice versa. Repeat this for all shims under the threshold along the entire length of the element. When all shims are adjusted to the correct height, fasten the threshold to the sill with suitable screws. For all thresholds, place a screw as close to the mullion as possible. For alu thresholds, remove the alu cover and place 1 screw every 90 cm. For wood alu sliding doors, finally install the supplied alu profile on the side frame of the sliding door. Start by positioning the alu profile against the top rail track and then guide it into the bottom rail track. Use a rubber mallet at the end so the profile clicks correctly into place.